In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members in Supabase, Easy Guide 2026. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can add collaborators to your Supabase organization in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head to supabase.com. This is where everything starts. If you're new to the layout, don't worry. Supabase keeps things organized at the organization level, and that's where team access is managed. Next, log into your Supabase account. This part is quick. Use the same sign-in method you originally chose, such as email with a code or a connected provider. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From the homepage, look for your organization. If you belong to more than one, choose the one that contains the project you want to collaborate on. Think of an organization as the container for your projects, billing, and team settings. Selecting the correct organization ensures your new members get access where you intend. Inside the organization dashboard, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This menu holds all the key settings you'll use to manage your workspace. Click Team. This opens the page where you can see everyone who already has access, their roles, and any pending invitations. It's a good spot to review existing roles before adding new people, so you avoid giving overlapping or unnecessary permissions. Now click Invite Members. A dialog will appear asking for two main things: the member's role and their email address. Choose the role first. Owner has full control over the organization, including billing and critical settings. Administrator can manage most settings, and members without full ownership privileges. Developer is ideal for day-to-day building and database work with fewer administrative rights. A helpful guideline is to assign only the level of access someone truly needs to do their job. After selecting the role, enter the person's work email address carefully to avoid typos. When you're ready, click Send Invitation. Supabase will email the invite, and the person will need to accept it to join. Until they accept, the invitation will appear as pending on the team page, where you can keep an eye on status and follow up if needed. That's all there is to it. Go to supabase.com, log in, open your organization, navigate to the team section, and use invite members to select a role, add the email, and send. With the right roles in place, your collaborators can start contributing immediately and securely. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Supabase.